No, uncle.
Our forests, rivers, oceans, and soils provide us with the food we eat, the air we breathe, the water we irrigate our crops with. We also rely on them for numerous other goods and services we depend on for our health, happiness, and prosperity. These natural assets are often called the world's natural capital.
At Saving Nature, we restore links between fragmented habitats to help rescue endangered and threatened species from extinction. In addition, the forests we create help fight climate change. As the native trees in our wildlife corridors grow back, they absorb carbon dioxide and create oxygen.
Spreading awareness about the conservation of nature is always a necessary step. It can be achieved only when more and more people understand its importance and the ways in which they can help. Besides this, it is essential to plant more and more trees. It is necessary to contribute towards lowering air pollution. Spending time in nature has been found to help with mental health problems such as anxiety and depression. As examples, researchia into ecotherapy are there.
What are ecosystem services? Nature is essential for human life. Nature provides us with water, clean air and food, and raw materials for medicines, industry, and buildings. Our crops rely on insect pollination and the complex biological processes that create soil. Enjoying parks, landscapes, and wildlife improves our health and well-being. All of these benefits, known as ecosystem services, depend on a healthy environment. Ecosystem services are the direct and indirect contributions ecosystems.
Valuing ecosystem services, we all benefit from ecosystem services whether we recognize them or not. Most of us appreciate the ecosystem services that we come across in our daily lives, even if we don't know their true value. The loss of nature affects our economy, our culture, and our daily life as individuals. Investing in nature, biodiversity and ecosystems, geodiversity and landscapes above and below the water, will help improve the quality of these services as well as securing them.
While difficult to determine, working out an economic value for nature can help to highlight the importance of nature and nature-based solutions to our society and economy and ensure it is included decision-making. For example, Scotland's natural capital is worth at least £196 billion, supporting 240,000 jobs. Insect pollination services in Scotland are valued at an estimated £43 million per year. Scotland's beaches and salt marshes protect £13 billion of coastal buildings and infrastructure. Compared T.
The National Ecosystem Assessment shows that since the 1950s, changes to Scotland's natural environment have led to a decline in the overall benefits from nature. For nature, there have been adverse changes in land use, air, water and soil quality, wildlife populations, and climate and weather. Many of these changes are driven by climate change and have both international and localized consequences for ecosystem services and how they benefit people. To look after nature, we must work hard.
Nature can be observed without being damaged. If you want to limit your impact on nature, I suggest you enjoy its beauty by staying on the marked trails, human footsteps, and walking stick.